Amicability Diplomatic Club's Global President and Secretary General attend United Nations SDG conference at UN headquarters. The Amicability Diplomatic Club is delighted to announce the participation of its Global President, Dr. Murthy Devrabhotla, and Secretary General, Dr. Tasneem Sharifa, in the prestigious United Nations Sustainable Development Goals Conference at the UN headquarters, General Assembly. The United Nations Secretary-General is taking proactive measures to ensure that the SDG summit achieves its maximum impact. To this end, the Secretary-General has convened an SDG Action Weekend, designed to foster collaboration among stakeholders, UN entities, and member states. This unique gathering allows participants to make specific commitments toward driving SDG transformation by 2030. Our Global President and Secretary General are dedicated to making substantive contributions to the ongoing SDG transformation efforts. As staunch global citizens, they recognize the paramount importance of collaboration and collective efforts to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals. Amicability Diplomatic Club, Building a Sustainable Future.